Konnichiwa, Minsan. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joy, hope you're doing well today. So for this video, I am watching how Japanese clean train station and public toilets. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get right straight into the video.
Welcome to Tokyo's JR Ueno station. About 180,000 people make their way around this station daily. It is a stop for the Tohoku Shinkansen and trains moving to northern Japan and around the city. This is also a place with a lot of services and public spaces, and they need to be kept clean around the clock. And this is the perfect place to see how one of the world's biggest cities also stays one of the cleanest.
Only in Japan.
Ueno Station is one of Tokyo's main travel hubs, the 14th largest station in the JR East network with 22 platforms on 3 levels, including the Shinkansen Underground. 4 station entrances: Central, Shinobazu, Park, and Iriya. The first train is 4:33 a.m., the Keihin Tohoku line, and the last train is 12:46 a.m., Yamanote line.
The last one is 12:46. Oh, that's morning.
There are loads of shops inside the station too. Restaurants, bookstores, cafes, gachapon,
It's so
flower
big.
shops, gift shops, convenience stores. It's like a little city inside a city. And when it comes to cleaning it, it takes a team of dedicated professionals to get the job done. Morning at the office. There are many shifts throughout the day, stations maintained around the clock. This is the group shift meeting at 9 a.m. Managers give a rundown of daily tasks, news, reminders. The JR East Environment Access Company, or JEA, has been in service since 1963. They're responsible for cleaning, environmental improvement, facility management, security and safety, collection, transportation, recycling of waste for facilities such as train stations, trains, station buildings, hotels, apartments, and hospitals. Management of coin-operated lockers and vending machines in stations. It's a lot. The staff takes notes. Most of them have been on the job for years, part of a family-like team getting things done around the station. In the back is one of JEA's youngest members, Hirasawa-san. We'll be following him and some of his duties today. The final briefing finishes and the team prepares for its daily missions. A hardcore unit of professionals prepare to battle through the day in the quest for cleanliness, safety, and help passengers get through around safely. No mess left behind.
Nice.
First mission, clean and prep trains for the trip out of Ueno. The team arrives a couple of minutes before the train and gets in place by assigned cars, including first class, known as the green car. After passengers alight, Hirasawa-san takes any garbage they may have, then goes in for his duty. This particular train has row seats which rotate around to the direction of departure. Hirasawa-san is also scouting out any problem areas. The rows are flipped around, the window ledge is wiped.
Oh, that's it. Wow.
Next, the headrest coverings are replaced.
So they do that daily? Oh, so clean and nice.
He attaches them. He checks the seat trays for trash or messes. He checks over the car one more time before moving on. Time is limited to as little as a few minutes depending on the schedule. The team comes together to confirm the train and all compartments have been swept before moving on to the next task.
Do they do this on every arrival?
Hirasawa-san next maintains the vending machines. His particular duty is to care for the recycling. Each vending machine in the station has a recycling bin next to it. No matter if it's full or not, the contents are collected, linings refreshed. There are a lot of vending machines on the platforms in UENO. Any spills are carefully wiped up to prevent any passengers from slipping.
Very necessary.
When the recycling for this shift is all collected, it's taken to a cart for station removal.
Well, I've learned very important little hacks that really help me.
I had these earphones and I learned how.
Now Hirasawa-san is rotated from cleaning to maintenance and security. He dons reflective safety gear and helmet with flags for a specific purpose. All equipment needed is confirmed off the checklist. When it comes to safety, there can be no errors. As the train comes in, he's now tasked with replacing the water on the train first. Since he is physically on the tracks, proper gear is required as well as a lookout. Despite knowing the train schedule, there is no margin for error. Hirasawa-san stands guard as his partner focuses on the job completely without needing to take his eyes off the task at hand. The actions are all practiced to avoid mistakes, and they need to stay on schedule. When complete, they radio HQ to let them know they're off the tracks. When the OK is given, they can move on. HQ knows exactly where everyone is. Confirmed. Today they're cleaning special platform 13 and a half. This is meant for the luxury Shikishima liner to Tohoku.
Wow, this is so clean.
Since the cleaning team is sometimes on the outside of the hand railing near the track, guards are required. They know the schedule, no train is coming, and it may seem a little unusual to us, but to ensure a 0% chance of trouble, the staff can clean without any worry, focusing on their jobs. It's not an exciting job, there's obviously nothing coming, but once again, this is how far they go to ensure safety on the job inside the station, a mark of how seriously they take their job. Let me know if you think this is a little extreme in the comments below. Because staff is still cleaning on the outside of the railing, they'll be here on guard. Work on platform 13 and a half is complete. Hirasawa-san can return to home base after checking the tracks for debris. When complete, they radio in again to let them know the task is complete and they're off the tracks. Mission complete. The busy schedule does allow a little time to smile. I sat down with Hirasawa-san to understand how he approaches his job.
一人で、できる作業ではないので、スタッフみんなで、力を合わせてですね、事故がないよう安全作業で、一日終われるよう作業に当たっています。やっぱり事故が一つ起きると、それだけ、迷惑をかけるので、事故には気をつけています。綺麗な空間を、作る仕事が好きですし、そういった綺麗な空間で作業するのも、 気持ちがいいものなので、それをお客様にも共有できればと思っています。
Every day, the job of cleaning and maintaining JR Ueno Station continues. The station's spotless. The hard work going virtually unnoticed, but that is a mark of how good they are at it. There is a lot of space to cover, and after decades of working in the station, the team has perfected their steps for safety and efficiency.
I can't believe they do that every day. Wow.
Toilet paper for the station sometimes has a long way to go to get to its final destination. Using this cart, our mission is to take it to the second floor toilet storage rooms in the shopping area. As he walks along, he calls out to let any passengers know the carts are crossing the area. A lot of people these days walk with smartphones, and an audio warning is especially helpful to avoid any accidents. We have arrived, the first destination.
So the elevator.
この場所はここにあるなので中見ます。
はい。
Rolls of toilet paper are put into the storage room, so there is plenty for other staff to refill the stalls throughout the day. Be assured you can spare more than a square at Ueno Station. Locked behind closed doors. The storage and janitor closets are spotless.
これと同じものが女性にもある。女性の方が使用率高いのか。
There are lots of closets to fill with toilet paper. The cardboard is taken back for recycling. Mission complete.
The amazing vomit vacuum.
This machine was made special for JEA to clean the platform vomit. The days of sawdust and careful scooping are over.
Vomit vacuum.
We'll show some simulation vomit to show the power of the suck side. First, the vomit is wetted down. After a minute or so, it's sucked up with the water to the tank on the unit.
Brilliant.
It does a very thorough job, leaving the area looking cleaner than it did before the unfortunate hurling happened. The mess can be thrown away without any contact. Replace the bag and go to the next spot. The vomit vacuum is a must for Friday nights.
What's for Friday nights?
It's after 1 a.m. and the station is closed to the public, but JEA is working around the
That's so
clock.
needed, that's true. For Friday nights.
After the last train, when the station closes, JEA is deep cleaning the public spaces. Some staff members aren't exactly human, though.
Robots.
This robot cleans the floors every night. There are newer robots at some of the other stations. Technology increasingly plays a part in keeping urban public areas clean, safe, and secure.
That's cool.
It's around 2 a.m., and it's time to deep clean the station's public toilets. There are several toilets in and around the station under JEA's management. Hirasawa-san will show us how it's done.
失礼します。トイレの清掃入ります。
Japanese public toilets everywhere are some of the cleanest in the world. Not just from the cleaning done by the staff, but by responsible people who try to leave areas cleaner than when they found it. There's some background on this, so I went in to meet with the head of JEA.
はい。どうぞいらっしゃいませ。どうぞどうぞ。日本ってトイレにも神様がいるって言って育ってるんですね。で小さい時からやっぱりトイレをきれいにすると幸せになれるっていうふうに育ってるので、やっぱりそういう文化もあって今も清掃っていうのは一つの本当に職人芸じゃないけどもただ業務っていうか作業じゃないんですよね。だからそういう気持ちで一人一人やっぱり仕事してるかなって思いますね。
Cleanliness is a part of Japanese culture, and something like cleaning a toilet can be an art. This will illustrate just how detailed staff in Japan clean those public toilets. Hirasawa-san used a sponge for the inside. Rather than using a brush, he's doing it by hand like this. It ensures the toilet is as clean as it was when it was new. For the washlet nozzle, a small brush is used for detailed cleaning. For the parts of the toilet the public will touch, a separate towel is used with appropriate cleaner.
That's so deep cleaning.
This may be how every toilet should be cleaned, but rarely is. More like the service at a luxury hotel.
Even those hotels, they don't even. I don't think they even.
There are also many multi-purpose toilets that need cleaning too. JEA is one of many teams in Tokyo keeping a super busy city super clean. Anyone who's ever walked around here knows it's one of the cleanest in the world.
Superior.
Back at the office, there is a happy point board where good work is praised. A manager saw a staff member mopping the floor at a busy toilet entrance, careful not to block passengers. Thank you for the continued hard work. The teams here are always looking to stay sharp, get better. You can see on this detailed schedule train arrivals and departures, and the team needs to have everything timed to the minute. At HQ, every staff member checks in, the time documented. It's more than just cleaning. Every task is a challenge they've prepared and practiced for, like a sheet of music. Everyone has to hit each beat.
清掃するにしても、道具一つ、使用する道具も違いますし、清掃するやり方も違うので、そういうのを学ぶのは本当に面白いと思います。新しく入ってきたスタッフの人にもそういうのは、共有していきたいなと思っています。
It's not just Tokyo. There are men and women all around the world that are working hard to make our cities run smoothly, clean, and safe. If you see them doing a good job, let them know. Smile and say thank you. After working with this crew for a couple of days, I know it's really appreciated. If you liked it, watch another one of the stories, consider subscribing and joining me on another adventure to the corners of this amazing country. I think that's my train. Mata ne!
It's mind-blowing to see how that guy was seriously cleaning that toilet. Like every single place he was carefully cleaning the toilet. One thing I love about Japanese is just their cleanliness. You know, Japan, it's so clean that you barely even see trash on the floor. Like looking at that train station, you can even barely see a single trash on the train station, which is amazing. And I just think that, you know, Japanese, they are just so detailed in everything they do. Like they seriously put their mind into something that they do. I love the extra safety measure they do. I think this is what all jobs should do. Well done to the cleaners, and I can see they seriously put serious detailing into that cleaning, the way they were cleaning the staircase everywhere. It's so nice to see. That's it for this video. Leave your thoughts what you think about this one. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching with me. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.